Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo with gasoline engine, anything practically made after year 2005. If you have check engine light on and these two codes I'm talking about, code P0443 or code P0444, stay with us, we'll explain what causes that and how to fix it. It takes only a few minutes. There is a special system, we'll explain how we can even test it as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here now. This is a Fiat 500 Abarth 1.4 engine, but Fiat Alfa, practically they're built by the same company, Chrysler, and that same engine has been used in more than 5 different Fiat models and at least 4 different Alfa Romeo models as well. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit, guys, about the computer that we use here for diagnostics. Many people ask about that information in the comment section below. This is it, guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video if you want to check where you can get it from and how much it costs. Function it supports, but it works on Fiat and almost any car you can think of. You can access every computer system in your car. Now, you have a special system on your Fiat or Alfa Romeo, guys, that actually catches the fuel vapors in the fuel tank, the gasoline vapors, because gasoline, when it heats up, expands. When it moves, it splashes, it expands as well. And these vapors, because of the emission systems and things like that, are not released in the atmosphere anymore. They go through the engine, burn through the engine. That way it gives you more efficient car and you're not polluting the atmosphere. It's a win-win situation. So you have that special device that's known as purge valve that will inject the fuel vapors in the intake manifold. They come to here from the fuel tank, they go to there, and when it opens, it will go through the bottom holes and go to the intake manifold. So if you have that code, what you need to check, make sure that it's plugged in and connected. Make sure that the wires are not broken or corroded. Another thing, guys, okay, you will need to make sure that the vacuum lines and the fuel lines, everything is in good condition, because if you have vacuum line that's leaking, broken, it can affect that in multiple ways, because often the purge valves on Fiat and Alfa Romeo will be controlled by vacuum as well. So you have another secondary solenoid on the back side. Let me show you now. Not often, not all the time, but quite often. Okay, we're on the back side of the engine. That's the purge valve on top. Right there, you can see that solenoid right there. It's a vacuum controlled solenoid. It will open and close practically, you can see. So if you have a vacuum leak there, that will cause that code as well. Now, vacuum leaks are really hard to find on Fiat, Alfa Romeo or any car. We have a special video that talks about actually, guys, okay, about vacuum, where you can have a vacuum leak on Fiat Alfa Romeo. It will talk about that and show you possible places so you know what to expect. If you want to see how to test the purge valve and find out if it's working or not, we'll put a link in the description of the video below that will teach you all about that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.